Hey, I'm Aria. Let's make Excel Excel. Today, the COUNTBLANK function. It scans a range and tells you exactly how many cells are empty, perfect for spotting missing data before it breaks your formulas. Two real examples coming up. First up, a simple data audit. Our Pokémon table has a code column, but some entries are missing. We want to know how many. Our data is in an Excel table called countBlank_data. Type equals countBlank, open paren, countBlank_data, bracket, code, bracket, close paren, hit enter. COUNTBLANK scans the entire code column and returns 5. That means 5 Pokémon are missing their codes. Nothing else counts as blank, not zeros, not spaces, not formulas returning text. Now COUNTBLANK gets useful as a data validation tool. We want a one-cell verdict on whether every Pokémon has all 6 stats filled in. Type equals if, open paren, inside, countBlank, open paren, countBlank_data, bracket bracket, HP, bracket colon bracket, speed, bracket bracket, close paren. That double bracket syntax tells Excel we want the multi-column range from HP through speed. Then equals 0, comma. If the blank count is 0, we want, quote, all stats complete, quote, otherwise, quote, missing stats, quote. Close the outer paren, hit enter. COUNTBLANK scans all 6 stat columns across 14 rows, finds 0 blanks, and if returns all stats complete. Drop a column or a row and the message would flip to missing stats automatically. So that's COUNTBLANK, one simple function that returns how many cells in a range are truly empty. Pair it with if to build clean data validation, with COUNTA to compare completeness ratios, or just use it on its own to audit a column at a glance. Remember, cells with spaces or formulas that return text don't count as blank, only true emptiness. That's how you make Excel Excel. And if you want to take your COUNTBLANK formulas and turn them into a web app your whole team can use from any browser, check out SpreadsheetWeb. Your formulas, your logic, live on the web with no coding required. Link is below.